In this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question. And the question is, eliminate theta between the equations asec theta plus btan theta plus c equals 0 and psec theta plus qtan theta plus r equals 0. So let's get started without wasting much time. If you look at the equations are in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and px plus qy plus r equals 0. So we can consider them as two linear equations where x is sec theta and y is tan theta. And to solve two linear equations and two variables, we can use a number of methods. One of them is cross multiplication method, and I'll be using that here. Cross multiplication method gives us the value of x and y. So in the given equations, we have a1 as a and a2 as b, b1 as b and b2 as q, c1 as c and c2 as r. So plugging in the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, we will get the value of x and y. So we will get x as br minus cq over aq minus bp. And similarly, the value of y is cp minus ar over aq minus bp. So we found the value of x and the value of y. So, but x is equals to sec theta and y is equal to tan theta. And we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. That means x square minus y square is equal to 1. So plugging in the values of x and y, we'll get pr minus cq over aq minus bp square minus cp minus ar over aq minus bp whole square equals 1, which can also be written as pr minus cq whole square minus cp minus ar whole square equals aq minus bp whole square. And there you have it. We were able to eliminate theta from the equation. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.